Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic and entertaining episode on Comet Dashcam channel. All the clips used in this video are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll enjoy watching and learning something today. We feature all sorts of road moments caught on driver's dashcam, from close calls to road rage and many more. Without any further ado, grab your snacks, press play and enjoy the show. In our first video, we have a careless bus driver running a stop sign and nearly causing an accident.
Someone need to get a Coleman grill. Where's he going?
No stop sign.
Oh my gosh.
Driver behind the camera was too impatient to be doing the speed limit, and instead of driving safely, this guy decided to dangerously pass the camera and cause an accident at the intersection.
Maintain your lane, you
Jesus.
fucking idiot.
Why is it you always find when you're going to work?
Toyota driver ran a stop sign and he nearly hit the camera at a high rate of speed. They both had to slam on their brakes and luckily no one was injured.
You okay? What happened?
Good job.
Driver pulled out from across the opposite lanes, but he forgot to check his mirrors and as a result he nearly hit pickup truck that was in front of the camera.
Happened here, it just used more obfuscation.
That's exactly sort of what happened here. It just used more obfuscation.
With that making it past current detection rule set up for this kind of backdoor, but in its essence it was still the good old backdoor it has.
It's really difficult to notice, but the trailer lost its passenger side tire. In situations like this, it can easily come to a spin out and a crash, but luckily it wasn't the case this time around. No one expected this crazy driver to make a U-turn here, not even the camera. This all happened out of nowhere, and despite the fact that he had his left indicator on, the camera thought he wanted to merge into the left lane, so he slowed down. Driver in white truck had the best intentions here as he stopped to let the semi-truck into the traffic, but that's not how it goes. You're supposed to go on a green light, otherwise you might cause more harm than good.
Going on YouTube. There is cars coming. What are you doing? Are you insane? Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Are you serious?
Camera caught an intense road rage argument on his dashcam. One driver appeared to be throwing something at another vehicle at the traffic lights. They argued during the red light, but luckily it didn't turn out to be physical.
I think I have a problem with that guy. Oh, he's throwing things at his car. 6DRY566. I heard something.
His arm came out of the door, so I think he's throwing something. Oh, he just went straight across the whole earth.
I think he's trying to get away.
Okay.
Oh, alrighty then. Oh wow, no turn signals, nothing. Yeah, no, I'm not going up there.
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Comet Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning from all the mistakes you saw in today's video. Make sure to leave a like because it helps out our channel and it motivates us to put out even more content for you. While you're there, hit that subscribe and bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.